Okay, let's review one extraordinary phenomenon that happened quite recently. I'm pretty convinced that the moon you saw earlier didn't attract you alone, but without doubt has raised the eyebrows of many. Yes, the full moon that you saw on the 14th of November was a supermoon. However, what you saw was even more than just a supermoon because the moon was larger and brighter than it has for decades. In fact, that full moon on November 14th was the largest supermoon since 1948, almost 70 years ago. But why could the moon be closer to Earth on some nights than on others? Okay, let's set up a scene here. As many of you might know, the Earth you see here is surrounded by an orbit which is elliptical in shape. To understand fully on how supermoon is formed, you need to consider apogee. It's just simply a fancy word for the furthest distance of moon from the Earth. On the other side of Earth, the moon would eventually reach a point closest to Earth, perigee. The word syzygy, in addition to being useful in word games, is just a scientific name for when the Earth, Sun, and Moon line up as the moon orbits Earth. When perigee syzygy of the Earth-Moon-Sun system occurs, and the moon is on the opposite side of Earth from the sun, we get a perigee moon, or more commonly, a supermoon. Now, on average, the moon orbits about 384,400 kilometers away, and its closest point to Earth is usually somewhere between 357,000 kilometers and 370,000 kilometers away. Sometimes, due to the sun's gravitational pull, the perigee dips below 357,000 kilometers. And last Monday was the biggest dip in decades, to around 356,511 kilometers. Plus, the extra large supermoon was about 14% larger in size and 30% brighter than an average full moon. This unusually rare phenomenon can never ever be witnessed until November 25th, 2034. Here we can see the moon on the 13th of November. Quite bright, isn't it? And here you can see the supermoon on the 14th of November. Unfortunately though, we can't be able to tell the difference between those two moons in terms of their size because we viewed the moons at a location that's not strategic enough. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel.